Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zarul Kifah bin Zakaria. Okay, so today I would like to present about my part. Okay, so my part is for question number 1, 2 and 3. So let's start from question number 1. Question number 1 is how does the speaker gain the attention and interest of the audience? Give example. Okay, so uh, the speaker do gain attention and interest from the audience as in the beginning of the speech. Cynthia Teller, the speaker, started it with a funny question and that made the audience feel funny. And yes, the audience laughed. Beside that, Cynthia Teller giving a speech in a standing position and always moving. As we know, human nature is more attracted to something that move. So, the style that Cynthia Teller used during the speech is not very static and able to attract the attention of the audience. Okay, so for question number 2 is, does the speaker establish his or her credibility? What type of credibility is used? Explain. Okay, so for this question, the speaker successfully show her credibility as a nurse practitioner, nutrition and intermittent fasting, where she lead 2-time TED speaker. Okay, furthermore, Cynthia Teller in her speech presents some statistical data and proof about healthcare. Besides that, Cynthia Teller credibility was shown at this moment when she told the audience about his experience as a nurse practitioner, intermittent fasting, nutrition and intermittent fasting over 20 years. It means that the thing he said was a true fact and showing his credibility as a healthcare futurist. Okay, for the last question, what are the main point of his speech? How others support? Elaborate with example. Okay, so for this question, at the beginning of the speech, the speaker make a preview which inform the audience the main idea of his speech. He mentioned first main point at minute 00 and 47 of the video, 47 seconds of the video, by saying directly that over the next few minutes, I plan to discuss with you what I believe to be the most profoundly transformational concept and strategy as it pertains to health and aging. In this speech, the speaker used various kind of supporting material to support his idea. For the main idea, the speaker used the credibility as a nurse practitioner and a functional nutritionist to support his main idea. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gilbert Muhammad Sri. My metric number is 26395 and I'm here will talk about my part about Miss Cynthia Thurlow's speech about intermittent fasting in TED Talks. So I'm here will explain about three parts: speech organization, her research of the language in the speech, and the last part is type of connective used she used in her speech. So the first part is the speech organization. She used to problem cause solution type of speech. So from the beginning, she explained about the increasing obesity and diabetes rate for women, for Americans, and then moving on to cause, and that is the of unhealthy lifestyle because usually American women used to having 3 full meals a day while snacking all day long, and that makes it the rate will increase over time. At the end part, she used why the solution, and that is the intermittent fasting. That is the solution to help our problem itself. And moving on to the resources of the language, so she used vivid language and using concrete data to show how severe the situation is. So at the minute of 4 let me see, I'm sorry. So at the minute of 36 seconds, she showed the data that is American women in their 40s or 50s are usually having their obesity and having their diabetes. So in this part, we can conclude that she used a concrete data to show how severe the situation is. And the last part of my explanation here is that if her type of connective used in her speech, she used transitions Why is that? Because at the minute of 5 minutes 25 seconds, she says, however, there are strategies we can use to help offset this. Before she said that, she explained the problem, and after she said that, she explained the solution. So this we can conclude that she chooses the transitions type to deliver her speech. That is all from me. I hope you guys loved our presentation, and moving on to my colleague. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Imani Safira binti Rosli. My metric number 259061. Now I will continue to explain my part. The first question is about the speaker voice during the speech. Based on the video, we can see that the speaker used her softness voice to realign her speech within an acceptable middle range. The rate of her voice is in middle range. The speaker also handled the inflection of voice very well, where she often changed her tone or voice. Besides that, the speaker also made a momentary break in vocal delivery. When giving the speech, the speaker strives for vocal variety to make her voice sound more attractive. The speaker pronunciation is very clear, and there is no articulation and also vocalized pauses during the speech. The next question is about the speaker's body during the speech. Firstly, is about personal appearance. This is because the audience will see the speaker first before hear the speech. From the video, we can see that the speaker dressed up properly. She wear formal attire to make sure to leave a good impression towards her audience. Secondly is about the speaker's body movement during the speech. Stand straight and tall is very important during relaying the speech. This is because this can show the confidence level of the speaker during the speech. From the video, we can see that the speaker often moves back and forth across the podium when relaying the speech. This is because the speaker trying to cover her nervousness. Moreover, the right hand gesture play important role during speech making, and it can strengthen the verbal message. From the video, we can see that the speaker wisely used her hand gesture during the speech. Finally, is about eye contact and facial expression. The speaker wisely used eye contact and facial expression with audience during the speech. The next question is about what kind of reasoning that the speaker rely most throughout the speech. The speaker used causal reasoning when she tried to establish the relationship between the cause and the effect. From the speech, the speaker said that Americans consume 3 meals a day and snacking all day long. Eating all day long will overtax our pancreas and also digestive system. If it cannot work properly, our body cannot absorb the food and nutrient from the food. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Hasnul Azam, 255949. Okay, I would like to tell you about the emotional appeal that the speaker used the most of the time in developing vivid example. Based on the book of art and public speaking, vivid example can pull the audience into the speech that have been delivered. The emotion that speakers grow naturally out of content, out of speech. The speaker also used example to pull the listeners to the speech. For instance, she said in the speech, "What if I told you that it is more important when you eat than what you eat? How frequently you are eating?" The speaker relates the sentence to be kind of situation that people are facing, which is their big appetite. Okay, next is methods that used by speaker to prepare the audience in the ending speech to dissolve the ending. Okay, according to Stephen E. Lucas, 13th edition, dissolve ending is a conclusion that can generate emotional appeal that is fading step by step in dramatic statement. Okay, at minute 12:17, the speaker said, "I want you to think about the fact that it is simple, flexible, and free option that you can try at home, and also can discuss with your provider if necessary. Here the speaker starts to generate emotional that will remain in audience mind for a long time. The final words fade like a spotlight, bring the speech to emotional close. Okay, lastly, the speakers end the speech by reinforce the central idea. Based on what we have learned, there are 4, which is summarize the speech, end with quotation, make dramatic statement, and refer to introduction. However, there are only 2, which is the first one, she makes dramatic statement, which is, she said, the biggest pain at this point is female patient with weight gain. I have fantastic strategy to help with this. And also, in addition to that, you have to ensure that you have a solid 30 days before you determine if it is the right strategy to you. The speakers make the audience refer to situation that themselves that has been eating and dieting wrongly. Okay, for the second one, I have a fantastic strategy to help with this. The speaker explained about the strategy that have been made to improve our metabolism in losing our weight. Also, the closing word that he tied the whole speech together by an advice on how to deal with audience, healthcare, and tips on losing weight. Thank you.